Good day everyone. Our topic for today is all about angle and its measurements. So let's start. The concept of angle is one of the most important concepts in geometry. The concepts of equality, sums, and differences of angles are important and used throughout geometry. Kaya napaka-importante na daanan natin ito. So let's start. First question is, what is an angle? An angle is a shape formed by two lines or rays with a common endpoint, and that endpoint is called the vertex. So let's have a picture of an angle. So this is an angle, and usually denoted by this symbol. Ang basa natin dyan is theta. And meron siyang common endpoint, and ang tawag natin dyan is vertex. Now, yung dalawang side na bumubuo ng angle is what we call the legs of the angle. Next, if we have this vertex and call it point A, we can name this angle as angle A. Or, pwede tayong gumamit ng three letters like angle CAB. So, angle CAB or simply angle BAC. So, same lang yon. As long na, ito kailangan tandaan, as long na yung vertex is nandoon sa gitna. Okay? So, kahit anong letter pa yan, basta yung vertex natin ay nandoon sa gitna. Now, let's review some types of an angle. The first one is acute angle. Acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. Second is we have a right angle. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. And meron tayong makikitang small box to represent a 90 degrees. Kahit na wala tayong sinabi na ito ay 90 degrees, pero may nakita tayong maliit na box, and this is automatic na iyon ay 90 degrees. Okay? The third one, we have an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is measures between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So, yun ang obtuse angle. Next, pang-apat, meron tayong straight angle, which measures exactly 180 degrees. Pang-lima, meron tayong tinatawag na reflex angle, na yung measure niya is between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. Lastly, meron tayong tinatawag na full angle na ang measure niyan is exactly 360 degrees. Okay, so let's move on. So please take note, angles in trigonometry differ from angles in Euclidean geometry in the sense of motion. An angle in geometry is defined as a union of rays that is static and has measures between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. Hanggang doon lang yung measurement nila. But sa trigonometry, an angle is a rotation of ray and therefore has no limit. Ibig sabihin, pwede tayong makapag-measure dito ng lagpas sa 360 degrees. It can be 1,000 degrees, 2,000 degrees, and so on and so forth. So dito, sa trigonometry, meron tayong tinatawag na positive and negative angle. At iyon ay based sa rotation ng ating angle. So mamaya makikita natin kung ano yung rotation pag siya ay positive, ano yung rotation pag siya ay negative. Now, let's talk about standard position of an angle. An angle is in standard position if it is drawn in the xy plane, with its vertex at the origin and its initial side on the positive x-axis. So we have this part ng ating x-axis at ang tawag natin sa side ng angle na yan is the initial side. So yung initial side, hindi yan gagalaw dyan. Now, paano tayo makaform ng angle? Kailangan meron pa tayong isang side. And the other side is what we call the terminal side. Si terminal side, iyan ay possible umikot ng counterclockwise or in clockwise direction. Now, once na si terminal side ay umikot ng counterclockwise direction, ang sabi doon, if an angle are generated by the terminal side moving counterclockwise direction, the angle is a positive angle. So, kapag counterclockwise, yung measure natin is a positive angle. Now, how about kung ito ay pabaliktad? Kung ang kanyang Now, paano kung pabaliktad? Kung ang rotation ng ating terminal side is a clockwise rotation. So, therefore, if an angle are generated by the terminal side moving clockwise direction, then the angle is a negative angle. Okay? Also, angles are commonly denoted using lowercase Greek letters. Kagaya ng mga nakikita natin. Pwede nating pangalanan siya as alpha, i-represent as beta, as gamma, and yung theta yung madalas nating nakikita. Next, we have angle measurements. Ito yung mga commonly na makikita natin na representation ng angles. So we have a decimal degree. Example nito is 10.05 degrees, negative 1,000.65 degrees, and so on and so forth. Also, meron din tayong tinatawag na DMS or degree, minutes, and second form. Example nito ay 5 degrees, 35 minutes, and 50 seconds. Another, we have negative 0 degrees, 0 minutes, and 19 seconds. Also, meron din tayong tinatawag na radian measurement. Ito yung mga example ng radian measurement. We have pi over 3 radians, negative 5 over 13 radians, negative 143 pi radians, and so on and so forth. Now, let's talk about converting decimal degree to DMS. So, convert the following decimal degree to degree, minutes, seconds, or DMS, and vice versa. So, meron tayong 4 na question dito. Now, take note na yung symbol na nakikita natin na maliit sa ating given is what we call the degree. So, ang base natin dyan is degree. Next, kung merong isang kuwet, ang tawag natin doon is minutes. Kapag dalawa, ang tawag doon is seconds. Also, pag sinabi nating 1 degree, ang 1 degree is equivalent to 60 minutes. So, parang hours lang yan. Hours, minutes, and seconds. So, dito, degrees, minutes, and seconds. So, 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. While 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. And how many seconds are there in 1 degree? If your answer is 3,600 seconds and you are correct. So 1 degree is equals to 3,600 seconds. So let us answer those questions. Here's the solution. Number 1, 56.96 degrees. So yung goal natin, i-convert siya into degree, minutes, seconds, or DMS form. 56.96 degrees can be written as 56 degrees plus 0.96 degrees. Kung papansin, meron tayo ditong degrees na less than 1. Ibig sabihin, kung less than siya ng 1 degree, pwede natin siyang i-convert into minutes. So, ganito yung gagawin natin. Kunin natin yung less than a degree na yan, and then i-multiply natin by 60 minutes over 1 degree. Now, ang question, bakit i-multiply sa 60 minutes over 1 degree? Bakit hindi pwedeng 1 degree over 60 minutes? So, ito yung idea. So, yung goal natin is ma-cancel out yung unit na degree. Kaya yung degree ay nasa denominator. Now, pag na-cancel yung degree, ang matitira na lang is yung minutes. And yun yung gusto nating mangyari. So, we have 0.96 degrees times 60 minutes over 1 degree. Yung degree, cancel out. Ang matitira na lang is 0.96 times 60. And we get the answer, 57.6. And the unit is minutes. Now, 57.6 minutes can be rewritten as 57 minutes plus 0.6 minutes. Now, yung 0.6 minutes, hindi pa umabot ng 1 minute yan. So, meaning, pwede natin siyang i-convert into seconds. So, anong gagawin natin? Kunin natin yung 0.6 minutes and then i-multiply natin sa 60 seconds over 1 minute. So, yung minute, cancel out, matitira na lang 0.6 times 60 seconds. And we got 36 seconds. Therefore, itong small part na to is just 36 seconds. Like this. Now, pwede natin siyang isulat sa ganitong form. 56 degrees, 57 minutes, and 36 seconds. Therefore, 56.96 degrees is equivalent to 56 degrees, 57 minutes, and 36 seconds. And we're done. Okay, so let's move on to the second question. So we have the solution. Kagaya nung sa unang example natin, ito ay can be written as negative 101 degrees plus 0.55 degrees. So, itong less than a degree, pwede natin i-convert into minutes. Multiply natin sa 60 minutes over 1 degree. Kung saan makakancel yung degrees. Matitira na lang is yung minutes. So, we have 0.55 times 60 minutes and the answer is 33 minutes. Na wala na siyang decimal, ibig sabihin wala tayong second na part. So, ibig sabihin, mag-stop na tayo dyan and i-rewrite na natin as negative 101 degrees and 33 minutes. So, therefore, negative 101.55 degrees is equivalent to negative 101 degrees and 33 minutes. And we're done. Now, let's have the third example. We have negative 20 degrees, 57 minutes, 36 seconds. And yung goal natin, i-convert natin siya sa pagiging decimal degree. So, ibabalik natin siya sa decimal degree. Okay, so first thing na kailangan gawin is isulat siya using an addition. So, we have negative 20 degrees plus 57 minutes plus 36 seconds. Now, ang gagawin natin, itong minutes, i-convert natin into degrees. Itong seconds, i-convert natin into degrees din. Okay? So, gawin natin. Dun sa 57 minutes. Multiply natin sa 1 degree over 60 minutes. Now, nabaliktad yun kanina. Sir, bakit natin nasa ilalim na yung 60 minutes? Ito yung idea. Para makancel yung unit na minutes. At ang matira na lang is yung degree. And yun yung gusto natin mangyari. So, magiging 57 divided by 60. And we have 0.97 at ang unit na matitira ay degrees. Next, gagawin din natin yun sa seconds. Kunin natin yung 36 seconds, i-multiply natin sa 1 degree over 3,600 seconds. So, ito ay equivalent, kaya ito ay 1 lang. So, parang nag-multiply lang tayo dito ng 1. Okay? So, yung seconds cancel out. 36 times 1 divided by 3,600, we got the answer, 0.01 degrees. Therefore, pwede natin siyang ipalit, substitute natin. We have negative 20 degrees plus, ang value nito ay 0.95 degrees. Nakuha natin kanina. 36 seconds, ang value niyan is 0.01 degrees. Next, add natin lahat. We got negative 20.96 degrees. So, therefore, negative 20 degrees, 57 minutes, and 36 seconds is equivalent to negative 20.96 degrees. And we're done. Next, we have the last example. 19 degrees, 15 minutes, 54 seconds, i-convert natin into decimal degrees. Okay, so first, i-break down natin siya using addition. We have 19 degrees plus 15 minutes plus 54 seconds. Next, yung minutes and yung seconds, i-convert natin into degrees. Simulan natin sa 15 minutes multiplied by 1 degree over 60 minutes. So, magiging 15 divided by 60 at ang unit natin ay degrees. So, we have 0.25 degrees. Next, kunin natin yung seconds. I-multiply natin sa 1 degree over 3,600 seconds. So, magiging cancel na yung seconds. So, 54 times 1 divided by 3,600 at make sure yung unit natin ay in degrees. So, this happens to be 0.015 degrees. Now, substitute natin yung kanilang mga values in degrees. We have 19 degrees plus 0.25 degrees plus 0.015 degrees. Add natin lahat. Makakuha natin ay 19.265 degrees. Therefore, 19 degrees, 15 minutes, 54 seconds is equivalent to 19.265 degrees. And we're done. So, that's all for today. As always, that's it.